First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Mrs. Priya Mishal on being elected unopposed as the chairperson of the Mopsa Municipal Council. She is no stranger to this post. तेजे पयली एक वर्साचो टर्म तिणें केलेलो आसा आनी सगळ्यांचे आशिर्वाद आनी सपोर्टान म्हाका दिसता हो निमणो जो टर्म आसा शी विल वर्क टू द बेस्ट ऑफ हर एबिलिटीज टू एन्श्योर the best possible services to the people of Mopsa and her fellow councillors. So Parat, I would like to congratulate her on this. Sagleni हांगा दिसपाक येता सगळे जाण वांगडा आसा. Everybody is here to ensure that we work together for the benefit of the people of Mopsa.
सर सगळे तुम्ही म्हणले आता सगळे वांगडा आसा माजी नगराध्यक्ष वांगडा सगळे वांगडा नसले कितें भेदभाव जाले
नासले म्हटल्यार कितें आसा once you are in this position you have to take care of everybody. Now, what is the internal thing I am not aware of. I don't want to comment on that. आताच्यान फुडें कशें वचपाचें तेजेर कितें प्रश्न आसा जाल्यार आमी उलोवंक शकता. हांगा बाय प्रियान म्हटलां तशें एक वर्साचो टर्म केलेलो आसा. सो शी हॅज दॅट 1 year's एक्सपिरियन्स आनी म्हाका दिसता a lot of things were done well by her. A lot of councillors had complimented her for her work. So I wish her all the best and I am confident that she will continue the same work she has done in the previous term. She will continue through this term.
नवीन कितें स्वप्न आसा म्हापशा खातीर आतां नगराध्यक्षान
तेका विचार
तांकां विचारलें
स्मूथ गव्हर्नन्स आनी प्रत्येक कावन्सिलराचे जे विशय आसा जायते जाणांनी म्हाका फाटले 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर कॉन्टॅक्ट करून थोडे विशय सांगलेले आसा वेदर इट्स रिगार्ड टू डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन or garden waste. I think one of the councillors mentioned garden waste. Ward issues जे आसा तेजेरूच लक्ष म्हाका दिसता the biggest challenge she has right now is the pre-monsoon work. ते धाकटें काम ना तें बरें मोठें काम आसा. So if she can get through that, it will be good. आनी म्हाजें एकूच मागणें आहा तेंचे कडेन सगळे जाण हांगार आसा ते आउटसोर्सिंग ऑफ गार्बेज जाता तितले बेगीन जावचें म्हणून हें म्हजें एक तुमी म्हटल्यार सपन कितें आसा ऑर what is the priority for. I think this is should be the only priority for the Mopsa Municipal Council as of today is to get the garbage issue sorted. So I request karta by Priya, make sure that the outsourcing of garbage is done on priority.